Carry on with question 13. Which of the following fraction is the largest? So you check half is larger than 2 over 7. So 2 over 7 will be out. Cross out. 8 over 9 is larger than half. So half will be out. So it's between 8 over 9 and 8 over 11. So how do I determine who is bigger? Which one is bigger? This is 8 part out of 9. And this is 8 part out of 11. So definitely 8 part out of 9 is bigger than 8 part out of 11. So answer will be 8 over 9. Question 14. Madam Wahin bought 4 quarter liter of detergent. She used 2 over 9 liter to wash. How much detergent was left? So you take this, subtract this. 3 quarters subtract 2, 9. Change to the same common denominator. Times 9. Here I times 4. I have 36. 27 minus 8 over 36. 27 minus 8, 19. Answer 19 over 36 liter. Angelo used identical square tiles to form a sequence of patterns. You can see a pattern 1, 4 cm height, 2, 6 cm, 3, 8, and 10. The vertical height of pattern 1 is 4 cm. What is the vertical height of pattern 20? So if you do a checking, pattern 1 is 4 plus 0 times. Every pattern increased by 2 cm. So there's a pattern there, 4 plus 0 times 2, 4. Pattern 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2, 4 plus 2. So pattern 19 will be 4 plus 19 times 2. How to check? Basically look at this. In pattern 1 I have 0 times 2, pattern 2 1 times 2, pattern 20 19 times 2. So answer is 4 square. 4 plus 38 is 42, sorry. So answer is 42. Answer is 2. Question 16, booklet B. Look at booklet B. Write down the common multiples of 3, 12. They are smaller than 40. So you put the multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12 all the way. Multiples of 12. Check, common one is 24, 12, and 36. Find the value of 120, subtract 10, divide 2 times 4 plus 10. Divide times. Divide come first, do divide. So I have 120 minus 5 times 4 plus 10. Minus times plus. Times, I do times first. 120 minus 20 plus 10. Mistakes didn't make, they add these 2 first, which is wrong. Minus and plus, who come first? Minus come first, must do minus first. So 100 plus 10, you have 110 as your answer. This 18. 24 times 600 is the same as 8 plus 600 times 16 times 600. How do I check? Notice there is a times 600 there. Times 600 there. Okay. And this is 8. This one plus must give me 24. Then if you see a similar question like this, 600, you compare at 24, 600. Here I have how many 600? 8 pieces of 600. Here I must have another 16 pieces of 600. So that all together I have 8 pieces of 600 and 16 pieces of 600. All together 24 pieces. So answer is 16. Express 2.004 as a mixed number in the simplest form. 2.004, 2 whole keep. This is 4 over 1000. Divide by 4. I have 1 over 250. Answer 2 whole and 1 over 250. Next, 20. 1910 is 19 times 10. This one is 1 over 10. So it's 19 times 1 over 10. I have 19 over 10. So I have here 19 over 10. Divide by 10. See 1 decimal 1.9. This is 190. Add 2 together, I have 191.9. Answer. 21. Express 145 minutes in hours and minute. 145 subtract 60, subtract 60, left 25. So this is 1 hour, 1 hour. Altogether is 2 hours and 25 minutes. Because 145 is 60 plus 60 plus 25. 2 hours, 25 minutes. 22. The figure below shows a square that is divided into 3 parts, A, B, C. The line PQ divides the square into 2 equal parts. The ratio of area is 3 to 7, right? And area C is 100 cm square. So this is 100 cm square. So this is 10 parts. This one also will be 10 parts. Find area A. So area A will be 3 parts. So C is 3 plus 7 unit, 10 unit. 1 unit, 10 cm square. 3 unit is 30 cm square. So A is 30 cm square. Question 23. In the figure below, XZ is 16, 15 is YH, GX is 10. Find area of the shaded part. The shaded part, you use area of the big triangle, subtract area of the small triangle will give you area of shaded part. So I have area of triangle XYZ, area half times base 16 times 15, you got 120. Area of this small triangle GXZ, half times 16 times 10, we have 18. Subtract away 40. Shaded part area is 40 cm square. Question 24. Figure below is not drawn to scale. Find X. Okay, so you have, this is 90, this is 40. So this one must be 50. How do I get 50? I take 180, subtract 90, subtract 40, equal 50. Otherwise, since this is 90, I can take 90, subtract 40. I will get 50 here. This is 50, step 1. This one will also be 50. Step 2. Vertically opposite angle. I have 50, I have 56. Can I find X? Yes, right. I take 180 minus 50 minus 56. Answer 74 degree. In the figure below, not drawn to scale, AB is a straight line. Find angle C. So let's check here. This is a straight line. So can I find this angle? This angle will be 27 degree. How to get 27? 180 degrees subtract 150. Because this is a straight line. Adjacent angle on a straight line. So I take 180 subtract 150, I have 27. Next. If this is 90, can I find C? Can write angle C will be 90 subtract 27, 63. The answer is 63 degree. 26. Tom is 11 years old. His mother is 3 times as old as Tom and 8 years younger than the father. How is Tom? So Tom is 11 years old. Draw a simple model. The mother is 3 times, so I have 3 units. But the mother is 8 years younger than the father. So the father is 8 years more. So from here I can see father will be 11 times 3 plus 8, 41 years old.